Hello guys, in the video we are going to talk about if you can get Granny Escape together on Mac. Well, the answer to that question is no. It's only available for Windows and you have to purchase it in Steam right here, but you can actually do so if you actually get Parallels Desktop or another type of virtual emulator for your Mac and if it can handle it, of course. So I would suggest minimum you have 24 gigs of RAM or more so that this will run smoothly and having a Pro or Max chip to go with that. So you can get Parallels here to run Windows in your Mac so you can get games not just Granny but like GTA 5 and many much more. Games that you cannot play natively on your Mac, you can do so when you do get Parallels. So to the answer that to the question that we are trying to answer is basically no, you cannot get it on your Mac natively, but only through virtual machines. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.